My name is Benjamin Mutunga and I'm 15 years old. As you can see, I'm on a bed. This is our dormitory. You can see it's our dormitory and I love it, and I'm thanking Shangilia for giving me this opportunity to sleep in this bedroom. And you know that this is a new Shangilia and new things with new beds, with everything they are new, and I thank God for this. This is Benji with a skater here from Spain, and I'm gonna interview him for now. Hi, what's your name?
Hi Benji, my name is Gabriel and I come from Spain straight away, guys.
How long have you been skating?
Okay, I've been skating for almost 20 years. Long time.
And have you been in any competition?
Yeah, of course, I won a few competitions in Europe, in Spain, in France, Germany, even in Portugal.
Is there any competition which you have won a trophy?
Yes, I won few trophies.
How long will you be in Shangilia and what are you doing in Shangilia?
Okay, I've been in Shangilia right now for a month, and basically I'm here working for Skate Aid, which is an NGO organization, and basically we are trying to teach values through all the skateboarding.
That's great. It is my pleasure to meet you and to interview you, and it was a great time with you. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure to speak to you.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Yes. Today, my show is introducing a great person and a famous person that he used to be my friend, but now he lost for a long time, but now he's here in my studio. Now, what's your name?
My name is Patrick Chege.
Yes, from Nigeria, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, and I heard that you started learning Swahili songs, and your supporters would like to hear one. Will you mind?
I won't mind.
Okay, please sing for us.
Okay. Usinidandie tu kama mat, usinidandie tu kama mat, usinidandie, usinidandie.
Okay. Now, as the supporters, have you heard the song? He's going to produce a lot of songs for you people, and I know you'll be happy. So, but he has a lot of money. But now, you see, even now, he has come with a Bugatti. Is it true?
Yes. Outside there.
You see, and he was a slum boy.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you see, young children, you have an opportunity of producing your own songs and things. But trust in God, and by the experience of Patrick, you will, I know, you will be motivated so much, and stay still and continue watching my show. Without you, Shangilia, I don't know where I could be. And thank you for all things that you have done to me, for teaching me music, acrobats, and even putting knowledge in my mind, in my body. I don't have much to say, but only thanking Shangilia and also thanking my God.